This is such a weird experience that I decided to create this video about it and just do some analysis and give some recommendations. So, as you can see here, I have two classic ThinkPads. Both of them are X201. They are more or less are identical machines. This one has 100 megahertz faster CPU, but both of them nonetheless running the first gen of Core i series, and both of them are Core i5. This one has 6 gig of RAM, this one has 8 gig, and there's a bit minor differences in the capacity of the SSD, but nonetheless both are using SSD. The big difference, however, is in the operating system. Although underneath both are using Linux, but this one is running Debian 13, this one is using Arch Linux. And here's my disappointment more or less about Debian, especially as a long time user of Debian. So here's the thing. In the past, if somebody was telling me, okay, I have an old hardware exactly like this machine, I want to install a Linux, I don't care about the latest version of the packages, I just want something stable and use my machine without having too much maintenance, meaning little to no maintenance. Beyond the doubt, I would have suggested, alright, just install Debian. It's rock solid, it's super stable, and it has no maintenance. But that's not my recommendation in 2026 anymore, based at least on my recent experiences with Debian. So, this machine until 3 months ago was running Debian 12. I was super happy with it. No major issue, no major complaint. I had a relatively decent even video playback. Might be surprised to many people that yes, 16, 17 years old hardware are capable of playing YouTube videos in the browser. Not the full HD, but you can actually scale it to 480, 720, depends on the browser configuration and whether the browser vendor has decided to blacklist or not the GPUs. And that's the case for Firefox as of now, that they blacklisted these GPUs for whatever reason. The one of the speculation is that the Mesa library they broke the backwards compatibility with the older GPUs, and as a result, Firefox just blacklisted. I'm not sure, I'm not the expert on it. I just want my YouTube playback to be smooth. Right now, on both of these machines, if I play YouTube, they are just doing the software rendering because the GPU is blacklisted. That means the GPUs would be completely idle, and that's a shame of the modern software development. Nonetheless, on Debian Bookworm, it was fine, running smoothly. I decided to upgrade to Debian 13, and then the whole experience got ruined. It got slower, much slower. It's not smooth when I actually click around. When I even open a website, it's not smooth anymore. It's just very laggy. If I do anything, it's laggy. And here still is going good. It was not the best in the beginning, is still the same, nothing changed. So it's funny that a lot of people saying Arch Linux, oh, it's bleeding edge, or it has a lot of maintenance, or packages breaking, this and that. And I've been using Arch Linux for 8 years. Of course, besides Linux Mint, because that's also super fun and super good to use. But I've never seen actually Arch Linux to have major breakage. Yes, if I do not update my Arch Linux and then go for update after 1 year, yeah, I need to do a bit of housekeeping here and there, but that's not major. Debian, it was no maintenance literally. They just like messed it up, in my opinion, nowadays. So I upgraded to Debian 13 and things went very bad. And I thought, okay, maybe the upgrade from 12 to 13 wasn't the best. So let me actually do a fresh install, and that didn't help at all. So I'm going to showcase you just the one aspects of it, and you can draw the conclusion for the rest of it to not drag this video any longer. And that aspect would be the video playback. So let me actually log in here because the screen got locked. And then I'm going to do a video playback of the same video so you can see the differences here and there. One is not the best out there, but bearable. Another one is completely unbearable. So we have this video, 3 hours of the amazing nature, scenery, and so on. And let me open this one. It's the same video, right? So let's actually play it. So okay, I clicked here. Then let me click here also. Yes, both of them started to play. And already right off the bat, you can see the Debian one, it got stuck, right? And this one is going on. Now the Debian one started. So we can see here the most important difference. This one has 12 drop frames so far out of 800 or 900 more or less of the frames. This one has 100. Let's wait until 900. So okay, almost approaching there. Fantastic. So we have 227 drop frames out of 900 frames. And this one still has 12 drop frames. So somebody may say, okay, then the resolutions are different. This one 480p, this one 480p. The only difference is the Firefox versions. This one on the ESR, supposed to be the stable release. This one on the latest release. The flags, everything else, I checked it thorough to see whether there's a tweak that I need to apply, whether there is this and that. I did it. Everything is the same. I even consulted AI besides doing extensive search on Google or any other platforms. I could not find any differences. They are the same. Yet this one 480 has absolutely terrible, miserable, unusable video playback experience. This one you can see is decent. Not the best out there. We have to accept these hardwares are aging. That's all for this video. Don't forget to press like button, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to promote Arch Linux.